Hey everyone! In this video, we're exploring Canva's new AI feature update. And trust me, it's packed with some amazing features that make designing even easier. Let's dive right in. First, I'm choosing a poster template. I'll search for furniture and pick one that I like. Usually, we go to the Design tab, pick a template, and manually edit it, right? But now, Canva lets us generate AI-powered designs directly from the design section itself. Let's give it a try. Wow, the AI-generated design looks amazing. You can still edit the text manually and customize it however you want. Now, on the top menu, there's a new option called Magic BG. Just click on it, and instantly, Canva changes the entire background. See that? It completely transforms the look. You also get 4 background variations to choose from. This one looks really good, so I'll go with that. Let's try another design, this time without any background image. Now I'll click Magic BG again. And there it is. Canva just created a new background automatically. Next, let's move to the Elements tab. You'll notice a brand new section called 3D. Here, I'm choosing a Sail 3D image. The cool part is, you can rotate it freely in any direction. Now, I'll add a price tag 3D element and place it behind the 40% off text. It adds great depth to the design. Canva also introduced a new feature called Ask Suggestion, and honestly, it's one of my favorites. For example, I select my text and type, suggest a suitable text color Canva analyzes for a few seconds, and suggests options like dark charcoal or deep olive green. Now I'll ask Canva again. Give me the color code for deep olive green. It instantly provides the code. I'll copy it, paste it into the text color, and wow, it matches perfectly with the cushion chair in my design. If I click on the Sail 3D element again, you'll see the Rotate 3D option. You can either use Canva's rotation presets or manually rotate to your preferred angle for better control. Now for one of the most exciting updates, the AI Brand Kit integration. From the Canva homepage, click Canva AI, then hit the plus icon. You'll see a new feature called Apply Brand Kit. I'll select my brand logo and type, Design a digital marketing poster. Choose the format as Instagram post and hit Generate. And here we go. Canva generates multiple designs, all matching my brand colors and style. I'll pick the first template and open it in the Canva editor. The background perfectly aligns with my brand palette. Here's another cool update. In the Elements tab, I'll pick 2 different digital marketing icons. On the top, there's a paste symbol option with 2 choices. 1. Copy art style. 2. Copy basic style. I'll click Copy art style and paste it to the second icon. See that? Both icons now match perfectly in design and tone. Now, let's add our brand logo. Go to the Brand section. If you've already set up your brand kit, it'll be right there. If not, check out my previous video where I explain how to set up your Canva brand kit. I'll click on the logo and place it where I want. Then duplicate the design. Change the background color using the color palette. Update the text color to blue and replace the dummy website text with your own link. And that's it, a complete AI-powered Canva design workflow. So that's the walkthrough of Canva's latest AI updates. From Magic BG and 3D elements to Ask Suggestions and Brand Kit AI design generation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and design tips.